Hi students, I am Nilkan teaching chemistry for last many years, both for 11th and 12th as well as for BSc biochemistry. I was ex-teacher of St. George College and Higher Secondary, MAPSA. Now, let me just start with this video with about the what is called as organic chemistry. Many times students don't know what is organic chemistry. So when we talk about organic chemistry, it is consisting of carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. Of course, beside this, other element can be oxygen, nitrogen, and so on. Now, first thing that the students should know how to write the formula of a compound. Now, see this part, if you don't understand, without that, just writing the formula will be of no use. So, therefore, I will just introduce to you how to write the formula of a compound. Suppose we have here what is called as methane. Let us talk about what is known as methane. So methane is having 4 hydrogen and they are written like this. C with H, H and H. Why only 4 bonds? This is the first part that you must know because carbon has 4 bonds. So to satisfy this 4 bonds, there are 4 hydrogen atoms at H. When I remove one hydrogen, it becomes methyl. It is called as what? Methyl. And in this case, it is like this: H, H, and H with the bond still vacant. This radical is called as methyl. So here, when we write any compound, you have to take into account that carbon has 4 bonds. If there are no hydrogen attached to it, and if there is shortage of bond, then that is satisfied by putting either a double bond or a triple bond. For example, if we have what is called as ethene, okay. So here we have carbon, hydrogen with double bond, CH and H. Now see, in this case there are 2 hydrogen attached to this carbon, 2 hydrogen attached to this carbon, and since 1 and 2 bond for this carbon, therefore remaining bond you have to put here double. For example, another thing, suppose ethyne. When you talk of ethyne, it is actually CH triple bond CH. Why it is coming as triple bond? So here again same way, it is 1 hydrogen here, okay, and here there is say 1 hydrogen. Now see, carbon is how many bond? 4. Since there should be 4 bond, we cannot just put this bond over here. So you have to put that bond over here in order to make total what? 4. So here how many bond you have to put? Another 2. So altogether say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we must know how to write the formula of a compound. Now here I have taken just one carbon in this case. Suppose say you have here ethyl. You have say what is called as ethane. Now in this case ethane as formula C2H6. C2 what? H6. How you write the compound? So you put here 2 carbon first. Okay. After writing this, there are hydrogen 3 over here and hydrogen 3 over here. How you can put that? 1, 2, and 3. Here also you put 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So now see, with this if I write, this is wrong. So how you can make it 4? See, this carbon has got 3 bond. This carbon also has 3 bond. So to make it 4, you have to put one single bond over here like this. So this become what is called as ethane. So I hope you understood how to write the structure of a compound. So take it into account that every carbon has 4 bonds, and these 4 bonds are to be satisfied exactly by putting a line. Okay, so this is how we write the formula of a compound. Okay, so I student again, I am now going to start the first topic, that is organic chemistry, and that is called as haloalkane, mainly for 12th standard student. Now let me just explain to you what is called as haloalkane. Okay, see this video I am putting so that students of 12th standard can get the benefit of this. Okay, so please see, understand what I am going to explain to you all on haloalkane. So haloalkane is the topic. Haloalkane. This is the topic meant for 12th standard student. So we talk about haloalkane, as the word suggests, haloalkane. So what is the definition of it? See here, definition. Haloalkanes are the compounds, actually we can say derivatives, are the compounds obtained from alkanes by replacing the hydrogen atom or atoms of alkane by halogen, or say halogens. Okay, removing the hydrogen atom, and instead of that hydrogen you put halogen. If it is only one hydrogen removed and more than one hydrogen, it is halogens. Okay, simple definition I have given here. We can, instead of saying haloalkanes are the compounds obtained from, you can also say they are the derivatives of alkanes. Same this thing here, derivatives of alkane. Now let me just give an example. Suppose say we have here methane. I have just now given you what is the formula of methane. So methane, basic thing, as I told you, it is CH4. When I remove one hydrogen from here, I will get here CH3. Now this carbon is short of one bond. So we put it here as bond like this, that it is less. But this is not satisfied. Now this becomes methane. When we remove this, here it is called methyl, according to common name, methyl. So in general, alkane become alkyl. Suppose say we have here alkane, then we call it as alkyl in general. Okay.